Beautiful day here at Windrock. It's like 9 a.m. Maybe 45 degrees. Got a woodpecker pecking over here. He's on that here. Might be two of them. Oh, I see him. He's all the way up near the top. He's about 4 feet from the top. Got a red head. There goes a jet just by him. He's tapping away. His back's to us. See him? I can't zoom with this. He tapping. Seems like a tough way to get bugs. I would go into the leaves and probably just scratch the leaves away and find a worm. Not sure why they think that's a good way to get bugs. He's moving. He's going up. It's G37. There's an old tree right there. Eventually that thing's gonna fall.